Hi, my name is Janelle, and I'm the founder of Agriplate Farm Fresh. You see, we're the meal prep company that's about real food, grown right, and delivered fresh to your door. You see, I'm one of your local small organic farmers, and I thought it's about time that someone create a meal for you busy folks out there, but truly fresh from the farm. You see, all of our proteins are pasture raised or our seafood is wild caught. We focus on seasonal fruits and vegetables that is tasty, fresh, and you'll be saying you'll wanting more. Secondly, all of our meals service the Central Florida area. So I'm talking to you, Orlando, Daytona Beach, Longwood, or even Lake Mary. Third, delivered fresh to your door, and let me tell you, you'll be wanting more. Try our special today. If you get 5 meals, you get 2 for free. I'm Janelle Young, your local small organic farmer. And again, we're about delivering right, delivering fresh, and delivering to your door. Agriplate, Farm Fresh.